Let's now learn how to serve static files with Express. Now, what do I actually mean with static files? Well, it's the files that are sitting in our file system that we currently cannot access using our routes. So, for example, we have this overview.html file here in our public folder. But right now, there's no way that we can access this using a browser, right? And the same for these image files that we have here, or the CSS or the JavaScript files. So let me show that to you. And let me actually use the browser this time. For now, I'm copying this URL here just to show you that it's going to work, obviously, also in the browser. Okay, so this is our unformatted result here from the same route. But let's say that we actually want to access that HTML file that I was just talking about. So we can, of course, not just write public and then, for example, overview.html, right? There's no way we can access this right now. And that's simply because we didn't define any route for this URL, right? We do not have any handler that is associated to this route, okay? And so if we actually want to access something from our file system, we need to use a built-in Express middleware, okay? So let me now show you how we can do that. For example, after this one, okay? Now, in this section, we're actually just talking about an API, so we don't actually need to serve static files like images or HTML, so what I just showed you. But since this section is an introduction to Express in general, I also wanted to quickly show this content to you anyway. Okay, so as I was saying, all we have to do is to use a simple built-in middleware that goes like this. So express.static, because we want to serve static files, and so this is an obvious name for that. And so in here, we pass the directory from which we want to serve static files. And in this case, I'm going to use the public directory. So this folder here where we have these HTML files, okay? And actually, let's use a template string here so that I can go ahead and use the dir name variable, then slash, and public. Give it a save and go back to the browser. Then we will be able to open this overview.html. Now it's not going to work in this URL here. It actually has to be like this. So without the public, just /overview.html. So let's see, and that actually works. Okay, now why is that? Why don't we need the public folder here in the URL? Well, simply because when we open up a URL that it can't find in any of our routes, it will then look in that public folder that we defined, and it kind of sets that folder to the root. Okay, so let's pretend that the root is now our public folder, so this here, and then the overview is in there, and so that's why we have then access to it. So in there we also have images. For example, let's say we want to open image and then this pin here, and we can do that. So image pin PNG, and so here we go. Here is the image. Now what we can't do is this, because this is not a file. This looks like a regular route, and so Express actually tries to find a route handler for this one, which it can't because we didn't define anything. All right, so it really just works for static files, in which case it will again not go into any route, but simply serve that file that we specified from the public folder, or the folder that we specified here in this middleware. Okay, now take a look at the console here and see all the requests that were actually done when we open up that page. Let's now clear this here just so we see all the requests that actually just come from that overview page. So let's write again overview.html here, and these images here are broken, and that's because this HTML is not supposed to be served like this. All right, I'm just using it now here so that we get some visual feedback. I'm not interested at all in the content here. Okay, now just take a look at all the requests that were done for all of the assets. So as I said right in the beginning, for each piece that is part of the website, our server actually gets a separate request. And you see here that most of them get this 404. So that's why the links are then broken on the web page. Well, simply because Express cannot find them in this folder. But again, that's not the point here. What I just wanted to show you is how we can serve static files from a folder and not from a route. Alright, and so that wraps up the basic introduction to Express. In the next two videos, we will talk about something called environment variables, and we will also set up ESLint in our VS Code.